Hello, and welcome to the Speaking Corner, Speaking Practice 14. Today's topic, my family. You have 1 minute to answer the following questions. Do you have a small or a large family? How many siblings have you got? Give details about your family members, like names, ages, jobs. Let's go. Well done. So now let's get some recommendations. Number 1, you are supposed to use simple present. And for number 2, siblings means brothers and sisters. So here you're going to mention the number of your brothers and sisters. Number 3, you are expected to use the possessive apostrophe s while presenting your family members. For example, my father's name is X, my father's job is whatever. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell.